Sa pagpapatuloy ng city food adventure ng food explorer nating si Cheska Fausto, dadalhin naman niya tayo sa isang very European dining experience. Yung tipong mafe-feel mo ang vibe ng Venice. Habang nag-e-enjoy ng Spanish at Italian-inspired na mga pagkain sa Toni and Sergio.
So, Toni and Sergio, this restaurant, you have an indoor dining and you also have the outdoors as well, right? So, what is the capacity for the outdoor area, the one we're in?
Basically, the outdoor capacity is roughly 50 persons.
Oh.
How you can see is al fresco. It's a very good place where you can eat, you can enjoy with your friends, with your family.
Or with your special someone, right? Amazing place!
Thank you so much.
Why is it called Toni and Sergio?
They are two brothers from Italy, and they have this inspiration from the food. As they travel also to Spain, to Argentina, they like to combine these Italian and Spanish dishes. All fresh food, fresh ingredients. That's why they call Toni and Sergio. This is Sergio, this is Toni. You can see all the history that one they have. The history talk also about the restaurant, is past also. And they have very passion about the food, about the quality of the food. And they create this restaurant, authentic Italian restaurant.
Legit European ambiance. Check! Kamusta naman kaya ang mga pinagmamalaki nilang dishes?
This is our pizza area, and the unique this our pizza. Which one is a long pizza, and you can find only here.
Yeah.
So basically, this is very unique for here. Plus, we have a good paella. I know the Filipino like paella.
Paella de la Casa. Food explorers, ang ganda ng presentation nila. I'm super excited kasi this also reminds me of home. Way back in Zamboanga, my mom used to cook a lot of paellas. So, tikman natin to. Yung lasa ng rice na yung pagka-season sa kanya is perfect, hindi ganun kaalat. And also guys, yung mix ng seafoods, lasang-lasa mo eh. Yung lasa niya, hindi lang siya yung parang nasa surface. Well blended talaga siya. Pwede na ako mag-asawa. Charot. Napakahaba na pizza metro. O, di ba gusto natin yan? So, eto guys, hinati nila ito to 3 flavors. Ayan, eto may chicken, eto naman plainly mga cheese, and then eto may herbs and spice. I think this is basil. Cheesy siya. At ang sarap ng crust niya kasi, alam mo yung chewy, hindi dry, perfect. Sarap. Etong pizza metro nila is actually inspired by the Italian flag. Yung tatlong hati niya is first, yung green part, which is pesto. Etong gitna niya is the white part, which is the 6 cheese. Oh, kala nyo 4 cheese lang. Dito, 6 cheese. Tsaka yung huli naman is the red, which is the pomodoro. Ayan. Susunod naman, tatry natin ang kanilang creamy baked risotto. Oh my! Cheesy, creamy, baked risotto. Buttery, hearty, masarap. In fairness, sa mga mahilig sa rice dyan, pa rin, na ibe-bake, ay, bongga. Kuya, what is the meaning of this?
Is pupula de chocolate man.
Oh, so chocolate po yung labas niya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos yung loob.
This is dum natin po na chocolates.
Excited na akong tikman! Ang sarap. Best dessert ever, guys. So, parang may layer siya. So, bottom layer is yung kanilang moist chocolate cake. And then may mousse siya on top of it, kaya sobrang light and fluffy. Tapos na-drizzlean pa ng caramel, which adds a bit of sweetness, which is so good, guys! As in! Sarap. Sunod namang dessert is a tiramisu. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Mga ka-food explorers, something unique that I found here sa Toni and Sergio is their Italian soda. I never knew na may Italian soda pala. Akala ko soda lang, di ba? Pero meron pala. At iba't ibang flavor din siya. So, kakaiba. At eto na nga, eto yung flavor niya sa baba mixed with carbonated na drink. And then, meron tayong whipped cream sa itaas. And may tamang way din ng pag-inom nito. So, you can do it two ways. Ganito na, kung gusto mong mas sweet, may suspension sa baba, or you can actually mix it. So, ako, imimix ko siya kasi ayoko ng sobrang sweet. Ayan. So, this is their peach Italian soda. Smackin'. Ang sarap. Creamy, vanilla, peachy na soda. Ganon yung lasa niya. Something na I know na magugustuhan nating mga Pilipino.